Okay, so what I did, if you'll remember, these were kind of kicked way over to the left. And what I did was I changed the thumbnail settings. You see this? And I got to it by coming to settings and then media. Settings, media. Brings this up. And without getting into coding, you kind of have to tweak the size so it'll fill up the area. If you go too big, you get a little question mark. It'll drop one of the images. But anyway, this is about as close as I can get it without hard coding something. So just save the changes, and there you go. Let's see. Let's say that you wanted, say, a contact and maybe some more pictures over here on the side. Well, instead of having to, again, hard code it, you can get that look with no code by using widgets. And show you how to do that. Come back to Appearance and Widgets. Don't go to the widgets in the Customize menu. That's just to color them and choose font styles and things like that. Okay, your main widget area is your footer. But we want to put them in the secondary widget area, which is a sidebar. So, okay, to add widgets to make our site look like it's got two columns, we're going to add them to the secondary widget area because that puts it in a sidebar. This one puts it in the footer. It even tells you when you click on it. See, adds to the footer. Okay, so to add a widget, it's really easy. We want the contact information. This is compliments of Jetpack, the plugin I had mentioned earlier. So it gives hours and all this good stuff. This is all default, but you would, of course, change this out and put your information in. We'll close it. It's still there. It's just closed. But if we had put our actual information in there, we would have to save it and then just close it. Let's put a text widget in there. Text widgets are very versatile. You can use them for text and photographs, but we're just going to do a simple text widget. We want it in the secondary, which is the sidebar. Again, that would put it in the footer, but we want it in the sidebar. So we'll put it over here, give it a title, and throw some dummy text in there. Now we've made changes, so we have to go to save them, close that out, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, cool. But I don't like the colors. Let's change the colors. So we'll go to our customization plugin and scroll to our widgets. Here, a widget there. Oh, here we go. Sidebar, because we don't want the footer, we want the sidebar. Background color. Let's make it black. And because we made it black, now we can no longer see the text that was on there because that was black too. So we'll make it white. I think that was the title. This is the text. And we'll save it. And check out our page. We'll have to refresh it. Cool. Kind of like that. Now to refresh your browser, I just hit Command R. I guess you can hit Control R on a Windows machine, or this little, this little thing here. If you need to, if you don't have those options on yours, just Google how to refresh it. It'll show you. But anyway, so we've got, got a header in here. It shows a street view of the business. Which is cool. I mean, I made this header in Photoshop. So this is an actual street view of the business. I take my car here. I know these guys. And this is a picture that I just kind of merged in with it. No big deal. We customized our menu. We have sub-menus. We got it kind of moving and grooving. So the next time, we also got rid of the WordPress visually. It's still here. Where's the link? There it is, right there. See how it changed? Or am I out of the screen? Oh, I'm out of the screen. Let me move it up so you can see it. See, this is our footer. We made the footer background and the link color the same. So you can watch it, it'll change. When we hit the link, there it is right there. That says proudly powered by WordPress, but we can't see it. So as far as we're concerned, it's not there. All right, so next one will be a short video on how to add a contact form to your website.